Welcome. If you're looking to enable insecure content permissions on the Instagram app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you need this for troubleshooting, accessing certain features, or managing third-party integrations, I'll walk you through the process, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Next, look to the top of the page and find the three dots icon. This is usually in the upper right corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the drop-down, select App Info. This will take you to a new window where you can see details about the Instagram app installed on your PC. Inside the App Info window, look for and click on Settings. This is where you can control various permissions and preferences for the app. Now, scroll down and find the option labeled More Settings and Permissions. Click on this to expand additional controls related to the app's behavior and security. Among the permissions, locate the setting called Insecure Content. This is the key option that controls whether Instagram can display content that isn't fully secured by HTTPS. To allow Instagram to load this type of content, simply choose Allow next to the Insecure Content option. This change will let the app display mixed or non-secure media and resources, which can be necessary for certain features or integrations to work properly. That's it. You've successfully enabled insecure content permissions for Instagram on your PC. Remember, allowing insecure content can expose you to potential security risks. So only enable this setting if you trust the sources you're accessing and understand the implications. If you ever need to reverse this change, just follow these steps again and switch the setting back to block or deny. Stay informed and in control of your app permissions to keep your experience safe and smooth. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more guides for the latest updates and tips.